Thank you for tuning in to Plug and Play Kids. Today we will be showing you how to install our add amplifier, add a loc, add a DSP harness into a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. To begin, you're going to need a panel tool or a pry tool. You're going to begin by removing the heater controls. Start in the bottom, pry out, go to each side. There's 4 clips. Once you get it out, you can pull it down and let it hang. Now, there's going to be 10mm screws that you would have to remove. They'll be in here, and then up here and up here. Once you remove those 4, you can grab the radio by the bottom, a nice firm grip, give it a pull, and they'll pop out. Once you get the radio out, you want to tilt it forward and access the 2 plugs that control your speakers. To plug in our harness, they will replace the plugs that we just pulled out. Make sure you push it in until you feel it click. Plug in the T harness. Now, as you can see, it's not a hard installation. I'm actually doing this all one-handed. Now, once you have it all plugged in, you can bring the radio down, hold it off to the side. The amplifier and this one here is going to mount right underneath the radio. What you're going to want to do is this harness here, slide it to the side, grab the amplifier, put it underneath, and it'll sit right on an angle underneath the radio. Flip the radio down. Now take the excess harness from the T harness in the amplifier, tuck it into the back, and tuck it right off to the side. Now, when you put the radio in, hold the amplifier up against the bottom and start to slide it in. See where the restrictions are. Harness will need to be pushed back and out of the way so the radio can go in. Apply firm pressure, push it back, and that is how we install our add a loc, add a amplifier, add a DSP harness. Once you have it installed, reinstall the 4 screws, realign the heater controls, and press them in.